Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube videos where we today are going to be discussing parking sensors and what we've done on this beautiful little electric Fiat 500. Welcome to the channel, and today is all about parking. So parking in spaces at the moment is getting increasingly difficult. I think the spots are getting smaller and the cars are just getting bigger. I mean, you compare this to a smaller, older Fiat 500 and the difference is massive. So getting these cars, no matter what vehicle it is, into a tight spot can be tricky, especially if you don't have any parking aids on the vehicle. And that is exactly what we've sold for this client today. So the client is actually a main dealer. They sell these as a Fiat dealership around the Cambridgeshire area. And what we've done for them is install front and rear parking sensors for this vehicle. Now, it's a really important upgrade to help you park the vehicle, but it also helps protect your paintwork from any scratches or scuffs that you might have if you were to hit anything like that in a parking spot. So the sensors themselves are a really nice installation. The bumper comes off both front and rear. We install the sensors in locations that are guided and chosen specifically for the sensor and for the vehicle, and a small 18mm hole is cut into the bumper to install our new sensor. Now, these are then color coded and paint matched to your vehicle to give you that seamless OEM finish that you're after with any upgrade that we do here at CBS, and the result is beautiful. It's an 18mm sensor, 4 sensors on the front, 4 sensors on the rear, giving a really nice holistic view around your vehicle and giving you the right protection that you need for your car. Everything is then wired in professionally and safely, and the bumper is put back on and final checks by another engineer to make sure the install is absolutely perfect before it leaves our building. It's a meticulous install and one that needs to be done with care, and one that gives you the really nice flush fit finish when it is done properly. Now, the sensors themselves actually have a beeper that alerts you to your distance to any object. Now, we have a beeper in the front of the vehicle and in the rear, again, making it just easier when you're parking for your brain to figure out where the object is coming from, especially if you're in a tight spot where you've got objects around you on the front and the rear of the vehicle. Now, another one of my features I actually love about these sensors compared to others is the way that they actually alert you. Now, with a front and rear setup like we have here, if you're in a tight spot, it can get quite confusing if the tone of the beep that it's giving you is the same. Whereas with these sensors, it is a different tone for front to the rear, again, making it easier to distinguish whether the object or obstacle is in front of you or behind you when you're in a really tight spot. And now that might sound like a very small thing, but it makes a massive difference when you're actually using and driving the car. So I hope that shows to you how the sensors work. Again, it's very simple. You get the beeps going forwards and backwards, and it is a slightly different tone for the front and rear, giving you a really easy system to help park in those tight spots. So if you are looking to have a similar sort of system installed in your vehicle, whether it's just the sensors like we've done here, or something a bit further than that, something like a parking camera or a dash camera, anything like that, to get in contact with us and we can get this all sorted and installed in your vehicle for you. But thank you so much for watching today's overview of what we've installed on this lovely Fiat 500 electric. If you have enjoyed, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel for future videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.